Hello, today I'm in Ssangyong Rexton. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. Let's start with the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can manage radio. For example, we can adjust the radio volume or change radio station. Also, thanks to this button, we can manually change the gear down. Next, we've got the panel on the right side. Thanks to this, we can change radio source, mute the radio, or answer or decline calls. And again, we've got the button with the plus, thanks to which we can change gear up. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.